Last video, and as I was preparing for this, I got really impressed. I got really impressed with what I'm about to teach you. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. One of the first things I need you to do in terms of this data science video is to install, oh wow, it's embarrassing. Is to install, I don't record that again, but install these two packages. So I'm gonna do it just because I already have it installed. You can pause, I'm gonna pause mine. If it was SpongeBob, like 30 seconds later or 30 minutes later, but no, it was like 5 seconds. It installed, and there we go. Now we're able to do some really nifty things. So I'm gonna save the best for last, aka today. So we're going to create R Shiny. We're gonna call this test. We call it test cable underscore cable. I gotta move myself. Test cable. Okay. Single file. It's already going to my folder that I want it to go to. So you browse just so you can see. I'm going to my desktop. Go to the data science. Boom. And then this is the folder directory that I want it to be in. I press create. This time I'm going to do something quite nifty and just press Control A or Command A and erase everything. We're going to play the game called copy and paste. So I'm not going to remember this video. I'm not explaining each and every aspect of the code in this give me a second. I'm not explaining each and every aspect of the code, but I am essentially just providing you just enough to say, okay, I can, maybe change things if I need to. So this code here is allowing us to manipulate the miles per gallon, right? Miles per gallon, and our max is 33, our min is 11, and it's going to start at 20. And so this is going to be what the computer sees, and this is what we're going to see. And I'm going to MPG. I would make these capital letters so you can see the difference. MPG limit, and then from there, this is going to create a table. We call it cable. So cable extension, which you just installed, cable extra, it allows you to visualize tables. Okay, so this is going to be my table functionality. It says to make sure it has MPG, which is fine, or it's getting the MPG from the input, and then it's filtering based off of that. So you'll see what I mean in a moment. So let's go ahead and run this. Give me one moment. So I'm going and run it. Run it, boom. And here we go. So if I start changing the limit, as in, I guess this is the max miles per gallon, we start to see more cars, okay? With this one, I'm not that impressed. I'm just not impressed. This is nice, it's cool, but let's see if I can impress you. So this is the second and last R Shiny aspect that I would like to teach you all. So you can exit out of this, stop it from running. I press Control L or Command L to clear that, and let's create a new R Shiny. Boom. I think this one's going to be called test underscore DT, a data table. So data tables are essentially data frames, but you can do really neat things with them. So what we're going to do is erase everything again. And this code is very, very simple. It's actually kind of funny how simple it is. That's it. So this is the input. This is the user's input. It's going to say MC cars data. You're going to spit out my table, which is defined here. And you're going to, this is the empty cars. So this render DT is going to provide the HTML code, give you more than it's going to provide the HTML code, long story short. So let's see what this looks like. All right, so I'm going to back out a little bit so you can see more. So you see this is a little bit more extravagant, a lot more extravagant. So what can we do with this? Miles per gallon. Let's actually create a range. Just create a range. So in between 16 and 26 miles per gallon. Okay. That's going to be our data frame. Okay. And then from there, you can also use this to do some manipulations as well. Right. But what's neat about this is that I haven't done this yet. I haven't thought to do this, but now that I'm doing this video, I'm thinking about it. You can manipulate this table show the visualization based on your manipulation, then show your regression output. That will be amazing. That's actually a really cool project. If you decide to stay on and continue, we may do one of those. It'll be very impressive to your future employees or employer. Well, thank you very much for watching the series. Now that I've done it, I would say this is more like a really, you've been my guinea pigs, and I have a lot to improve upon, and hopefully you all will finish the survey that I have at the end of this. But I'll keep saying bye, and hopefully all 3 videos, maybe 2, we'll see. Yeah, probably 2. The next video, no, one more video after this. Sorry. So good. Thank you very much.